there's virtually no difference. There are a few differences in Java 9 that were introduced. I'm going to talk about those towards the very end of this course. I think the last one or two lectures is where I cover those slight differences, but otherwise it's going to be the same process. It's not mandatory for you to upgrade to Java 9, but that video is there for you in case you'd like to. So with that being said, in this video I'm going to show you how to set up your development environment to work with Java version 8. And this is a Windows machine. I'm using Windows 7. I have a similar video for the Mac operating system. So if you're a Mac user, make sure to check out the other video. And right now I'm using a Windows 7 machine, but these instructions are going to be pretty much almost identical to other Windows operating systems. So whether 7, Windows 8, or 10, the instructions are pretty much going to be the same. So let's open up the command prompt. You can go into the search bar and type in CMD, and it will launch the command prompt. And over here, just to prove to you that there's no Java at this point on this computer, if I type in Java-version, notice it's saying Java is not a recognized program. Okay, so we need to first download and install Java on this computer. So just type in JDK8 here in Google, and that's going to take you to the first page here. Just click on that link. This is the Oracle downloads page. Just accept the license agreement here and scroll down to where we see Windows. This is a 64-bit machine, so I'm going to click on this download right here. So click on that. It's going to be an executable, and the download has begun. This may take a minute or two depending on your internet speed, so I'm just going to sort of zoom ahead in this video to the point where this is done downloading. Okay, so there we have it. The download is complete. I'm going to click on that executable, and the installer will start. So just hit the run button here, and this is the installer. So just hit the next button, leave everything as default, click next. Now it's preparing our system for the install, and now it's asking us to choose the destination folder. So this is going to be in the C drive, program files. There's going to be a Java folder that's created, and then it's going to be this JRE 1.8 and so on. So just we're not going to change this destination. We're going to just click on next, and the installation has begun. And there you go. It's saying Java Development Kit 8 has been installed successfully. So let's just close that. And now if we go to the terminal again, and I type in Java-version, hit enter. Actually, it's going to say that it's still not a recognized program because we need to open a new command prompt. So let's close this and open another one. So I'm going to type in CMD here again, and then do Java-version. And there we go. Notice it's saying Java version 1.8. This is the runtime environment. So when we want to run Java applications, let's say you download an application from the internet and it's been written in Java, the Java runtime environment is used for you to run it on your computer. But to develop your own applications in Java, you need to have this JVAC command working. So if you type in JAVAC-version and hit enter, notice it's saying JVAC is not recognized as an internal or external command. Okay, so it's not recognizing JVAC. So what we need to do is add an environment variable so that Java programs can be compiled. And I'm going to show you exactly how to do that. Let's first make our way to the destination folder where we installed Java. So if you click on the start menu, or depending on your operating system, just click on computer. However, you make your way over to the C drive and go to program files, and you'll see that there's a Java folder. So we've got two folders, the JDK and the JRE. To run Java applications, we need the JRE. That's what is being shown here, the Java Runtime Environment. But to write our own applications, we need the JDK. All right, so we have both, which is good. So what we need to do is, in our path variable, we need to set the location for where JVAC is. So let's click into this folder, go to the bin directory, and you'll see that there's JVAC here. Okay, so just copy this entire folder location. So program files Java JDK/bin. Take this directory and go to my computer again. Right click and go to properties. At least that's how it is in Windows 7. Whatever way you use to get to their system settings. You're going to click on this advanced system settings, and there's this environment variables button. Click there, and now we're going to add a new path variable. Just type in path, and the value for this variable is going to be the location for JDK 1.8/bin. Okay, so hit enter and close out of all of these options, and you can just exit out. We don't need all of these directories open. And let's open a new command prompt. Type in cmd in the search box, and then do jvac-version. And boom, there we go. Notice it's saying jvac, and it's giving the exact version. So now it's working. We've got Java-version as well as, whoops, I misspelled version. It's Java-version. Hit enter. We got Java version and JVac version. Both of them are working. So now we're ready to download and install Eclipse. So let's go back to Google and type in Eclipse here.